Hi friends, welcome to Oracle Tutorials. In this video we are going to see the concatenating character strings. Also we will see concat function. For concatenating character strings, we will use a character operator which is used in expressions to manipulate character strings. Better we will come to the example directly. We will see our table employees. Select star from table name is employees, and here we can see the table employees. Here we can see the query for concatenating character strings. Here we will give a select and we will give literal strings. We are going to give employee name is, then here we are going to give the character operator double vertical bars. Then we are going to specify the column name emp name from employees. Here this double vertical bar is called concatenation operator. Now we will run this query and we will see the result. Here we can see the output. Employee name is Eric, employee name is Jacob. So here we can give a space. Here we can give that. And we will run this query again. We will see one more query. We will give select emp name concatenation operator, then we will give a literal string is from, again we will give a concatenation operator, then we will give emp place from employees. We will run this query and here we can see the result. So Eric is, we will give a space here also. And we will run this query now. Here we can see that Eric is from ERN, Jacob is from CAN. Right. We can also concatenate using concat function. So we will see an example using this concat function. Here we can see the query. We will give a select concat function emp name then we will give a salary is from employees. We will see the result here. So here we can see it shows Eric's salary is, Jacob's salary is. So we have to specify the salary now. Here actually this column emp name and this literal string salary is concatenated using this function concat. Now we will concat salary also. Here we will give concatenation operator, then the column name emp salary. And we will run this query. Here we can see the result. Eric's salary is 5,000. Right. The same query we can make with the help of this concat function, that is a nesting of concat. We will see that. Select concat emp name salary is salary from employees, and we will run this query. So missing right parenthesis, yes, here we have to close this parenthesis, salary, and we will run this query, and here we can see the result. Here the inner concat function concatenates this column emb name and this literal string salary is, and the resultant will concatenate with the emb salary, and we get this result. Here we can see the concatenation operator queries, and its output we have seen. Dear friends, in this video we have seen concatenation operator. Also we have seen the concat function. If you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below, and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.